Hey, it's Brandy, and I am back with a project share. This is the mini album I created with the Justice is Served exclusive card kit box. I shared the box a few weeks ago with you guys, and now I want to show you what I created with the box. So there's a little bit of glare because there's a shaker window on the front, but I'm gonna try to get to show you. So this is the mini album. It is a 4.5 by 6.5 cover with a 2-inch spine. On the cover, I couldn't resist. I had to make a shaker. It sounds awesome. It looks awesome. There was a fantastic shaker mix in the kit, and it just screamed a shaker cover mini album. So that's what I did. I popped one of the characters from the stamp set all colored up there. I colored all of my stamps up with Copics. And then here is some medium weight chipboard that I made my frame out of. I used some fun foam to pop it up for my shaker element, and then I layered it with 2 frames, one solid yellow cardstock and then one of the pattern papers. As far as what I added to this mini album that was not in the card kit, all I added was the medium weight chipboard for my covers and my shaker element, and then the solid colored cardstock. Apparently Tuxedo wants to come say hi. Come here, Tux. Say hi. Get it out of your system. Okay, now I gotta get off my desk because I gotta film. Thank you. Every time I turn the camera on, that's the first thing he does is jump up and has to be in the way. Anyways, so here on the spine, I just added some of the washi tape that came in the box, and then I double matted again here. I did add some score tape underneath my washi tape. That way it was nice and strong because the adhesive on washi tape is not really strong. So, and then I double matted the back. I love this paper. It's one of my favorite papers in the collection. And so there you go. That's the cover. The cover flips open. And on the inside cover, I just created this little spread, and it holds several photos. These will hold 3x3 photos. And then you open this up and you get a full like layout style spread. And then you flip over. We have an angled pocket with multiple photo mats. I popped up I glued down my characters, but only on one side, so that if you wanted to tuck a photo in, like you needed more spots per photo, you could absolutely do so. You can either leave it with the photo, or you can pop that photo mat right out and just leave it with the paper and the character. Personal preference on that one. And then this whole thing flips down, so you get a full 4x6 photo here, and then a 4x4 photo here. And then we flip, and then another large photo mat. My white, I just, when I mat with white, if I've got a lot of room in my album and that it won't be a big deal to leave it, I leave it. If that's in the way, I pop that right off and just slap the photo on top. And then a lot of my photo mats you'll see are just solid black. It's just because I don't want the extra bulk, because they're all cut to leave a nice frame around my photos. So we have a shallow pocket here, and then a large full 4x6 photo mat up on top. And then we flip over and we have more smaller photos. And then I just used a strip of the paper along the side. Then here again, I used one of my characters as a tuck spot, a little speed guy. And then we flip out and you get again that full scrapbook layout without it having to be a full 12 by 12. So, which is why I love mini albums. And then again, you have an angled pocket. There are 3 page styles in this book, and then they repeat, so they're each in here twice. So again, another small little tuck spot, and then you flip out for the full, and then you flip over. And I have my dark hero over here, and then there's 2 photo mats, and again I left him open so you can slide your pictures to be right a part of the layout. This little doodad was on top of the pen in the kit. I just popped it off and added it to a paper clip so that I could use it to hold together all of my photo mats. again, use everything in my paper clip. I probably would have used the box had it not gotten smushed in the mail because I am a user of all things. If I can find a way to use it, I will. So then there's another large 4x6, and then it finishes with a 4x6, and then this is a little 3x4 book. So that's my little Justice is Served mini album. I will have a tutorial coming out for this one. It's going to take me a little bit because there's quite a bit of footage that I have to edit down, and I'm still working on my editing skills. And I really want to try to do a voiceover for this one, which is a new skill I am learning. So please be patient with me. But I did film the entire making of this album, so I will put out a full tutorial and everything. Let me show you what I have left from my kit. Obviously, I have my washi tape, and then I just have a few little scraps. That's it. That's what I got left. And of course, the pen and the stamp set that came with the kit. Obviously, they'll be in my stash. And then the embossing folder. But I used everything I could. I'm going to make some cards with these scraps. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks, and I will see you soon.